Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl The Quinn here, and I'm here with the first video of the year. Yes, it's the first video for the new year 2023. First of all, we have to thank God that we have made it into this new year. Yes, and of course, new year means new things coming up. So in today's video, I will be going over some updates that we will be having on the channel and also on my website in this new year. But before we get into it, always remember to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and to turn on that notification bell to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Also note that the instrumentals have been provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So first of all, as it relates to updates to the channel, I realized that for a while I haven't been doing any interviews. I remember I interviewed a blind web developer, a blind IT accessibility specialist, a blind DJ, but there are so many persons, influential persons who I have to interview for you guys. So you can know how you can get out there and launch yourself into the world despite your disability and that you can be successful. So stay tuned for some awesome inspirational interviews coming up this year. And I will also be interviewing persons who are in careers outside of IT as well. So stay tuned for that. Also, I realized that I haven't been doing a lot of app reviews as it relates to apps on your phones and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that this year as well. Other than that, any other video suggestions that you guys have for me, you can feel free to comment in the comments below to let me know, or you can always email me. Also, as it relates to my videos, I also want to add a fun aspect to my videos. So after you guys learn new things, there is, something to put a smile on your face, So something to the end of my videos that, can be something fun for you guys. So stay tuned for that as well. I have some more thinking to do on that one. Now moving on, for those of you who have Facebook and you didn't know, I also have a group on Facebook. It's called TQ Blind Accessibility Tutorials, Interviews, and App Reviews. Now, if you have Facebook, you can join this group, and in this group, whenever I post a video, I notify you guys of it with a link to the video, and I also post some other accessibility stuff in there as well. And I also give you guys a chance to post your questions in that group as well, or any accessibility stuff that you have found yourself and you want to share with others. So you can go on Facebook and search for that group, or the link will also be down below in the description to where you can join my Facebook group. It's also on my website as well. Now, speaking of the website, there has been a tremendous amount of changes on my website. When last have you been on my website? And if you didn't know I had a website, let me show you how to get there. So you go to your browser, then you get to the address bar,
toolbar,
then you type in theequinn.vercel.app.
TheQuinn.vercel.app.
Then press enter.
Home-The Quinn.
Now the first update to my website. Let's first go through the navigation links.
Banner landmark navigation landmark list with 6 items. Home left paren. Current page right paren.
Alright, let's continue to go through.
Visited link newbie.
Alright, so this is a link to the newbie page, which is a beginner's guide for persons who are new to the blind and visually impaired community. Or even if they're not new, they want to get started with using their technology. So their phones and their computers. This is where they would go to that beginner's guide. Now the next link.
Visited link videos.
Now this is where you'll have access to find all my videos and their transcripts if they have a transcript. And there's a big update on this page that I'll show you later on. Let's go to the next one.
Menu button collapsed sub-menu services.
Now this is a sub-menu. So this is all the services that I currently provide. And if you press enter on the sub-menu,
expanded.
Alright, so it expands because it's a drop-down list. Let's go down.
Visited link link all services.
So if you click all services, it will just bring you on the services page.
Visited link audio editing.
If you click audio editing, it will jump you straight down to the audio editing heading on the services page.
Link voiceover.
The same for voiceover.
Visited link web development.
The same for web development.
Link private tutoring.
Private tutoring.
Link my past work.
And my past work. So these are all the services that I provide. And via the contact methods on my contact page, you can contact me to hire me for any one of these services. And information relating to those services and testimonials from persons who have provided these services for can also be found on the services page. But specifically the private tutoring, in which I provide tutoring lessons for you guys if you want to learn to use different apps on the phone, applications on the computer, using your screen reader, want to learn programming languages like Python, HTML, CSS, and you want private tutoring, then you can always hire me for that. Now moving on to the next navigation link.
Link donators.
Alright, so this link is where I have a hall of fame for all the persons who have donated to my channel, and where I share information on how you can donate if you feel the need to. Next one.
Visited link contact.
And this is the last navigation link. So this is the link for my contact page, where you can find all my related contact information, like my Facebook link, the link to my Facebook group, my email, all of that. Now let's press my H key to jump down to the heading here to show you the next change to my homepage.
Main landmark, the Quinn heading level 1.
Now let's down arrow.
YouTuber, audio editor, web developer, pro, blank, visited link about me bar, visited link beginner's guide bar, visited link YouTube content bar, visited link my services bar, visited link contact.
Alright, so these are some quick links on the top of the homepage. If you click one of these quick links, it will jump you straight down to the heading where that information is contained. Now that is it for the homepage. Now let's move on to the exciting update that I have for you guys, which is on the videos page.
Videos -the Quinn Google Chrome -the.
Now we're on the videos page. So let's press my H key to jump down to the first heading.
Main landmark, YouTube videos and transcripts heading level 1.
Let's go through this page.
The home of all my videos and related transcripts, blank. Heading level 2 video list. Please select one of the tabs below to view a specific category of videos.
Awesome. So that instruction is as clear as day. So I have different types of videos: tutorials, add-on reviews, app reviews, and interviews. So whichever set you want to see, you would click on the related tab. You can press your enter to activate the related tab. So we'll go down.
Tab selected, NVDA tutorials.
So by default, it's selected on NVDA tutorials, right? Let's go down to the rest of them.
Tab interviews. Tab app reviews. Tab NVDA add-ons.
Alright.
Heading level 2 my tutorial videos and their transcripts.
So now it's saying my tutorial videos and their transcripts because we're selected on the tutorials tab.
Note: the videos are sorted from latest to oldest. You can navigate to the video titles quickly by using the heading level 3 key. You can also use the search bar below to search for a video title by using keywords. Some of my most popular tutorial series are listed below :
So, as you heard, I now have a search bar on my website. And as it said, you can use single letter navigation, which is your number 3, to jump to each video title if you want to go through it that way. But let's go down until we get to the search bar. So here, right under this text here, I have listed some of my most popular series. So let's go down.
List with 4 items, bullet coding HTML with NVDA link, view playlist.
And there I have a link to view the playlist. Now if you click on that link, it would bring you straight to YouTube where that playlist is, and you can watch all the videos in that series back to back without any issues. Alright, so those are some quick links for you guys. Let's see the other series.
Bullet using Microsoft Access with NVDA link, view playlist. Bullet using Microsoft Excel with NVDA visited link, view playlist. Bullet using Microsoft PowerPoint with NVDA link, view playlist.
Alright, so that's the last of them. Now let's down arrow and see what is next.
Out of list, search for a video. Edit space button search.
Alright, so now here is that search bar to search for a video. So you're gonna type in here keywords to find a specific video that you want to find. Say for example, you want to find all my videos relating to HTML. Let's press enter on the search bar.
Main landmark. NVDA tutorials property page. Search for a video. Edit blank.
Let's type in HTML.
HTML.
Escape. Then press my End key to go to the search button, or I can just press my B key.
Search button.
Then press Enter. Now let's down arrow and see what's there.
Heading level 3 no indent search results left paren, 16 right paren, colon.
Awesome, and it will show 16 search results because my last video in the HTML series was part 16. Let's down arrow.
List with 16 items bullet visited link coding HTML with envda part 16 left paren, CSS padding right paren.
Alright, now let's actually click on this link and see what happens.
C. Out of list heading level 3 visited link coding HTML with NVDA part 16 left paren, CSS padding right paren.
There you go. So it jumps you straight down to the heading with that video title. And it says it's a link because if you should now click on this heading, which is a link, it will bring you straight to YouTube with that video and it will start playing. And also down here you have the description.
Brief description colon. In this video, I show you how to add padding to your HTML elements with CSS.
And under the description, you have the transcript.
Download transcript colon. Link HTML line part line 16.docs.
There you go. So that is a huge update to my website. Let's try searching something else. Let's try searching for all my videos relating to Microsoft Word. So let's do Shift E.
Search for a video.
Press Enter. Control A and delete to take out everything.
HTML blank.
Now let's type in Word.
W-O-R-D.
Escape. Search button and press Enter.
Search button.
Now let's down arrow.
Heading level 3 search results left paren, 8 right paren, colon.
Alright, now look and see the results that have come up.
List with 8 items bullet link creating and formatting tables in Microsoft Word with envda. Bullet link how to make a non-contiguous selection in Microsoft Word in File Explorer with envda and dash quick tips. Bullet link learn how to use Microsoft Word with envda dash quick tips.
Awesome! So you guys see that I have a fully functional search bar on my website. And yes, it took me a couple days but I sat and I coded this thing from scratch and it works. So you guys can now easily come on my website and search for all the videos that you want to find. And of course, each time I upload a video, I update my website so that the new video will be added and you can search for that as well. Also, if you guys have any other suggestions for anything else I can add to my website to make the experience better for you guys, you can also let me know down below in the comments as well. Awesome, so there you go. So those are all the updates that I have for you guys for this new year. And stay tuned because I have some awesome videos and series planned for you guys in this year. So stay on your toes, turn on those notifications so that you can be alerted as soon as a video comes out because you can't afford to miss them. Also, remember that you can also contact me via my email, which will be down below in the description as well, theequinnpublic@gmail.com, for any inquiries or if you want to hire me for my services. But that is it for this video, guys. I am looking forward to an awesome 2023. Trust me, I can't wait. But thanks again, guys, for watching. I wish you guys a prosperous, blessing, and fun-filled new year. And I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye-bye.